Hi guys, my name is Ranik Watson. This is a repost that I know you guys will enjoy. Watch from start to finish and remember to subscribe to Maggy Films. Bye!
God, please forgive me for what I'm about to do.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.
Hey! School! Hey! Baby donkey go a hee haw. Donkey go a hee haw. Donkey bring me Donkey bring me Anything we go down and tilt up a seesaw. Anyway, you see the donkey, so me nine car. Me not travel upon no country bus. Me a travel upon the donkey. Why? School! Me not travel upon no. Hey, yes, one of that country boy. Not no nice like when I travel upon the donkey, no. I'm my son to tell you. Whoa, Schoolie, come donkey, one. Whoa, drink some water now. Tap a river now. Whoa, Schoolie, me not travel upon the country bus. Me a travel upon the donkey. Hey, brrr, hi, whoa, brrr, easy now donkey. Whoa. Sumba, sunda da dumba, valley follow, mountain for slow. This place my home, I'm not alone.
Whoa, late.
Evelyn,
Everything alright?
yeah man, so far.
Boy, I walk down the whole place. Me no know. Like somebody a try run just me. Me see them a throw something on the grass them a now. Them a turn brown. Me can't get no work, watch that. Me call the machete rusty. You know get chop nothing yet. And you know so really and truly between me and you. Me no want chop up somebody, you know. Want chop bush, want chop grass, want some work. You know, no.
Yeah man, you know, so me know one man up here road, I want donkey cart. Where man look somebody to work for him.
Yeah. You have my number.
Yeah, no, me can't take your number.
But when would I get to work?
Me not.
Immediately.
You call him, yeah, immediately you not get it, you just call him.
All right. Take my number.
right.
I'll make the link.
825 1926. Even now, me know no man call me. So you go call me and tell me, give me direction to where the man is, so I go do the work. You get that thing. Cause nobody when me talk to, no say, go and work there for me. So we rate here, you know. You know the free can give me drink. No free in there?
Yeah man, you can get one soda.
not drink soda more. More like a dragon stout. Yeah, yeah, so you go nice. When we get to work, we check your back and yeah. Let me get dragon, but you say a sure thing. Yeah, man, a sure thing. Come on, don't get the dragon stout.
I just me and me donkey. I'm the whole time friend. I just me and me donkey. I'm the whole time friend.
I do some work this morning, you know?
Don't be a fool, Danny boy. Stick to the rules and make your father proud in a dying grave. Your father was a very good man, full of integrity. In all that you do, remember, don't tell anyone. This must remain a secret. Temptation will come your way, but you can't afford to lose this, Danny boy. Not for fame, love, nor for any praise. Do the right thing and focus.
Thank you, Jimmy. Now take your advice, man. Alright? Yeah, man. Come in. You're late, man.
Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Yeah.
Alright, so
The door I river man, you know. Build up, man. That's you know. So that's that one, you know.
alright, you are what? The farmer really gone bad. So we are gonna see if we can clean up the farmer because he just deal with their way.
No man.
And
It's simple thing, you know, we can't catch up your back like you want around saying.
yeah.
Simple thing for mess up, man.
So we carry out, you know.
Oh, well, you know, say I left you for here, I don't remember, man.
Yeah, man. So what we are doing now, we are start from around there, so. Round the side there.
Yeah.
Weed out the side and come back round.
Well, that's a good thing, and see potato them a spring up here now, you know.
Yeah, man. But to get to work now.
Yeah, man, I'm ready now. Alright, we'll go down and start, you know, for to go.
Why son of tea, man?
The papaya, they want to come up and they want to ripe, you know.
Yeah. Cool, man. You joke upon them.
Well, we don't hope up this, you know.
So you're married there?
Sweat up, man. I feel home here, man. Come here.
You're good, you know, brother. This is son,
Yeah, come on, wait. Yeah, man. The papaya, they mature, man. But yeah, one more thing. You know, plan to sell Lucy?
Brother, you can't sell the people them woman ag.
They not going to know that. All you have to do is just kill you and skill.
No, not upon that. Where you there, brother? No work where I work, sir.
I'm going back for work. Right, do that, dude. Sorry, you know, understand. All right, I'm going back and do my whole job.
You know upon them thing there, brother. Work where I work. Can't deal with people, sir, brother. Next thing we go do that here, so we are chickster. Eh?
All right.
And nobody no want to support the business. You know, Timbo. We could go over the next farm.
Donn, you can't take a break sometime.
Hold on, man. No matter you, brother. People want to make it in a life, we have to work hard.
Yeah, but
By the sweat of your bro, you shall what?
we shall eat bread, but sometimes we can eat crackers too.
No, man. But a bread don't want. A crackers too tough. Life done tough already, you know.
I'm sure that, man, but...
Well,
As I say, work hard if you want something in life.
to
Man.
go on,
Believe in you.
go over the next farm, go get the food for tomorrow. Because remember, you know, when we go to market, we want no food to sell, so could go over the next market, go get.
So we have to carry over this time, right?
Could go over the next, eh?
We have to carry over.
No, left it.
Thank you, Jesus.
Hold on. Where you married at?
No, man, make that China and done. Right now, we're not doing business with that, you know. God knows. We know what me and not done.
Share the water.
Rough. Hold on, man. Yeah, move so fast, man. I got it done. His wife now reach every morning late. Like, shit, man. If you're so young, the boy, that's it.
All right,
Now, feel it, what name I teach you do? You're going to teach you one day, you know.
all right, sir.
So,
Mm.
put a melon one mango there. You can see.
No, not time for that, no, man.
Well, Miss I see, the old lady always want mango, you know.
Not sure. Hey, them food I got sell, man, you know, brother.
I tell you,
Them pretty, man.
I go on, you know. And money you want to try make, you know. As I say, right, this will tell you, your brother shall me have bread. I know good that one, you know, man. All right, tell you. Hey, pull on the done,
Jeez,
done,
so you couldn't tell me, man.
done,
Make it
man.
on so make it on so. We unload them, man.
Yeah, man.
Put them on the bar and there.
Pull on.
Yeah.
All right.
7 o'clock in the morning.
So 7 years, I'm not late this time.
7 in the morning.
No fret. Cause money this year, you know, so
Yeah.
I can't late when I money.
Right.
Cause only two I did the farm still, and I did have to take me to practice.
Now run a pattern now. Look more.
Yeah, run a boat. I can link you later.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Food for eat, you know. Down there.
You're late again, man.
Sorry about that. Sorry about that one. Sorry about that.
See you much later.
So, ready, you know?
Boy.
Yesterday, I did want weed out some more. I said, I said, sure.
Alright, come in.
Tired and hungry, man.
What do we are doing then?
The donkey down the yard, right?
Yeah. We are going to market. Water. We don't have to long as say no.
Tell you, you see, all the Congo peas are dry up.
Come on.
What do we need? You know, man. All in hallelujah. You know what I'm saying? Dan, wouldn't mind the hallelujah, they can sperm up fast, you know, man.
Boy.
You know why I use no chemical? Why?
Boy, I'm not up on the pesticide thing, you know, because them thing that pipe.
Yeah, but it's going faster, we make money faster.
You understand?
Want to get rich fast, you know, man. You know I'm poor, man. You can't manage it. You think sardine and them shit, they are good food every day. Your brother did pay for one banana?
No, not yet.
Tell him they need to trust him, man. Tell you, we now get the money.
More come to man. Yeah, man.
Man.
I know, this is enough for a PD.
Thank you, Jesus.
We go up on the market side.
You know, Lamar, you say that you a time to make money,
What
not
mean?
a time to skin deep.
Youth and youth. Afternoon. Youth and youth.
Afternoon, Rastafari.
Uno good?
Yeah.
Alright. Here me say different to you now. Me I try find a virgin named Donn. You know? He have a donkey cat. Cause there's plenty Donn. Me not thought Donn have one. Me said Donn. We have a donkey cat. You know the virgin?
Yes.
Alright. We party live.
Let us walk on your
Alright. When I pass back, if you're not there, we not get something here. Buy some bag juice or something. Alright? Big up on yourself.
Man, no did bad do.
You're no man yet though. So you drink bag juice and okay, yeah, boy.
Me no did bad do.
Alright. Me think what we want. Jack and stout.
Me a yai rum. Yai rum.
Alright.
Me a tell me Rasta boy, you know.
Yeah.
No, man.
You see that Anna pot plant there? What do you want chopping?
No, I'm not chopping it, man. I want it to start turn more.
Alright.
One of them come up in me, I watch him in the country for one of them still in there.
Alright.
Yes, sir.
Real. Nothing I gonna make you now, boy.
Straight to market.
Yeah, man. Yeah, that me can't understand now how them a young boy and want to work, you know.
Like that, me fi tell you.
And we don't know old man and we are work, so. Eh?
Like that. Boy, rough. Danny rough.
Yeah, man.
Right, you know, me not know the Prime Minister how did them hoodlum, you know.
Me I tell you, boy, because some of them don't want to work, you know. You know, them a mix up some people like unemployment rate. Some people out of that don't want to work, you know. Some percentage out of that don't want to work.
I don't lie. Two them fit we a farmer. Them fit we not bright.
So I think they should have one sitting with them call him no one work. Rate too. I lie.
Yeah, that one right, you know.
Mix up all people who want to work, you know, you realize.
What about farmers rate? What about farmers rate?
Sumba.
How much can get for more money?
Sunda da da dumba.
Huh?
Valley follow. Mountain for slow.
Government.
This place my home. I'm not alone.
Alright.
Where I go?
Oui.
Check off the pattern is in there, man.
That's you. Alright. Yes, Billy. Donn,
Hey,
how much time you say you gotta come to clean up your place?
this morning if you come in.
This morning. What's the time? A good on man.
The morning I bucket them.
A
Down I
bucket.
bucket them come.
Alright. Alright. Alright, bucket. Man, I take too long, boy. Man.
You see me?
What time we are going to mark it, by the way?
Soon push out. So feed you on them first. Yo. Do the pot.
You know, we have a pint.
You must say we have to eat something. You know.
I'm hungry right now, man.
Wagwan, youngster.
There.
What your name, sir?
My name Jovan.
Jovan. My name Fire, right?
Yeah.
Me a check for one bridge named Donn. We have a donkey card. You know him?
Yeah.
What part he live?
I live around this man. Yeah, I go past one big tree right there, so a mango tree. Then I go right around there, so I go see be a dog, and then I go down on a hill, and then I see a yard.
Me a go down one hill.
Yeah. And then I
So me a go up one hill first.
No, yeah, go down on a hill first.
As me grow on the corner, me a go down.
Yeah, and then I go
I
up
don't
one
go
hill.
down, man. Is there a way for me to walk up one hill?
Yeah. Yeah, I go up one hill.
You're confusing, alright. You're good though.
Yeah.
Alright, me go figure it out.
Yeah.
I got to find this man and normal.
Hold on, man. Wait now.
I'm going to get trouble. Come in, Dan. Come. Come. Ready?
Where's the food ready?
Yeah, man. Food ready, man.
Hungry now, boy.
Man, take long at all. Where bread?
Bread in that bag, man.
Couldn't buy a slice of bread, man.
This you can't afford.
Well, at least.
How next spot?
No juice.
Yeah, man. Cheers, no, man. Just me and me donkey and me old time friend.
See, donkey card, so. Donn! How you name Donn?
Come up, man.
Come up.
Forward, man.
Listen me now. I now come no further, you know. The scent here smell like hog.
No,
How about that?
I don't have. Come up, man.
No, yeah, tell me, sir, I go there, eh? That big old white something there, so.
Rasta. Around here somebody want you clean up. Nothing in the hog pen.
Listen me now.
Around here, so.
Rasta burn a fire pan a hog pen. Me no go round hog. Me no.
Imagine that I eat it. You know, I eat the hog.
Listen me now. How you coming to eat in argument? I come for work, but I don't work in a pig pen or pig surrounding.
I clean up the area.
Listen me. Get somebody else clean up that. Me no clean up hog pen.
I tell you,
Rasta. You hear me I say? And in the one you clean up and around it.
Listen me. Me no clean round hog pen or round hog.
How you make money?
Listen now. No worry about me making money. Right? Worry about cleaning up on a hog pen on yourself. A fire rasta put on a hot pen. Listen me now, when you call I, you call me for work.
Yes!
Yes, but you have to clarify. Say you a hag man.
Alright, you me a say Rasta.
If you tell me,
Yeah, tell me say you a hag man, so me know
I
say.
don't say you're Rasta.
Well, now you know, and
Rasta,
now
what
I
kind of work you
go.
do? What kind of work you do?
I clean up bushes. I chop bush.
Exactly.
Yeah,
So now that-
but I don't chop bush around hag pen.
Rasta, I don't like your style, man. You can't come.
Let me tell you something about style. The style you have no good, right? You must try, say, you tell people from the beginning, say, hard pen cleaning.
You know what I tell him?
So yeah, me I say no, differently from that. I now have to do them work, I know. I have 14 subjects. That's why I now go shave up and go work in the Babylon institution, you know. All right, I'm telling you that.
Hey, Rasta, first subject.
I'm tell you one thing. You're right, you know. For your bread butter, on the 5 side.
I hear side brother Rasta. What we tell her, you think that somebody saying something I can't come here, man?
Rasta don't want to work, brother. Alright,
Get that boy the side of the work for you, can't chat too much.
it's alright.
Make him yam down the grass them.
All right.
Why? We have to go clean up ourselves, you know. I'm going to check on the donkey and come.
All right, good. I'm going to mash up. I'm going to mash up everything now. Oh, Rasta come piss me off.
Jimmy, we are about to go in town. Where we can go to make a good sale.
Go in town. When you go in town, a lady in a red dress is gonna come and spend a big money with you. Right by the supermarket.
Thank you, Jimmy.
Ah! Running bird for man. Oh, you know, laminate piece of bird.
Ready now, ready?
Ready?
Yeah, we are going town.
All right.
Yeah. Hey, lucky gate now, man.
You can't come out. You can't come out, man. Remember I say them pen up in them pen, you know. Them good, man. Them good.
Alright, going in town.
Are you lose him? Everything needs to sell, right?
Yeah, man. Over.
Yeah, man. Sell.
You can make a decent sale today, no?
So we're going out town, we are going to market, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Like this one a lot. Oh, no.
You know, so you shut out somebody in there.
No, man. No, shoot out somebody in there, man.
Yes, say.
I tell you, sir. Need more donkeys like this, you know? Rap. Easy, top him, listen.
Alright.
I want to park up yesterday.
Alright, you want to go?
What that?
One lady, I go come spend a money with you.
Which lady? Yes.
So,
I don't understand. Every time you tell me something happen, I want a call again.
what you say?
Oh, man. Me want to see. What color clothes you know?
I want Regis.
Who have to walk one today?
Well, we're just going to wait.
Cause God know. One who walk one.
Hello? A food in the cell?
Yes, ma'am.
Even.
Hello.
Me can get one bunch of banana, Irish onion and then something.
Sorry, donkey there, so sorry.
How are your partner?
No, man, I'm alright. Alright. Ah, they want to soft, you know.
You sure?
Come on. Where's the one?
Want everything we have in the bag here.
Whoa, sure. Alright, so I'm just going to put the banana in this and give you.
Yeah. How
Right.
much for everything?
Pumpkin and everything there, Irish everything.
Yeah.
Alright. 5,000. Thank you very much. Alright, so I can't get the bag, but me I go another supermarket and get a bag for you, right?
Alright.
Go over there.
Yeah. Thank you.
Well done.
Thanks.
Supermarket and all of that. Nobody can know. Nobody can know.
Ah, sir.
What?
Ready?
Come on. Ready.
Hello, hold on. See that?
Yes, sorry.
Alright, where are you going?
In the car.
That car right there.
Can put it in the trunk.
Yeah.
Wait, yo. Hey, donkey cat, man. Yo, how are you doing, man?
Yeah, but...
Hey, no, babe, go easy. Yo, come on, man, I talk to him. Yo, where the woman? Eh?
No, hey,
Yo, when you say that woman in the boss,
I help her with that. See, what is man?
yo, look what this, sir. You see this, sir? That means to leave that woman alone.
I help.
Whenever you see her again, yo, babe.
Just...
Hold on, man. What kind of money is make a touch you? Donkey cat money sign up. No, listen to me. No, babe, let's go. Babe, let's relax. What do you mean no arm? Yo, take for yourself, man.
Yo, what we have to do, Bretton?
Yo, look here, sir. Kick that away, man. Kick in your face. Come here, come on. Yo.
No, babe, Jesus.
Hey, boy, move yourself. Move yourself, man. Babe, let us go in the car, man. Go in the car, man. Yeah, make donkey, man. I carry some truck. On a headphone and donkey, man, you know. Hello? Oh, man, don't do me anything, man. I'm okay. Yeah, leave him alone. Alright. Yeah, thanks.
When I'm thirsty, you know, over the moment. What going mother now? You good?
Yes, man. Me alright, man.
Yo, what I'm thinking of, I done my thing, man.
Why, thank you. May God bless you and keep you. May your storehouse basket never go empty.
Thank you, man. I
You
appreciate
know,
it.
you don't trouble, not you.
No, man.
Make sure not to have no line up.
I want you good, man.
Alright, me one. Alright.
Yeah, now, yeah.
Alright, do some yourself.
Yeah.
My why, I don't know.
I don't like way before. You never did have to meet up with me stuff. You just still a try for help. You just there in the car, you see me come up with a bottle and I do nothing.
Hold on. You know, say, some things you have to see and blind here and there because you don't understand. You understand circumstances. What are talking? Hello? Yeah, man. Everything good. What? No, Chief. No. And that is it. Alright. Later I fall in our work. We'll talk about it. Alright?
Oh, what okay now?
I wonder if I become beat up, eh? The brother. This will cause a problem. Supervisor calling and tell me, say, be careful. Don't kick your man nobody. You don't work nothing alive. How you feel? I know how you feel like, say, you make certain people help you, because you make me look bad.
So, when they say you have something for, reason about when we reach at work. Yeah, man. Watch you know. I get this order and it come from up at the extreme top, When I say extreme top, I mean it come from the higher rankers. And right now, the man them say whatever it is that you do, you have to stop and cease from it. Me? Watch you know. I want me hear and I want the people them tell me. Whatever it is you're doing, because I never ask them that. The man them even stay up on the phone long enough to tell me nothing. The man them just say, tell me second, to stop what I do, because it attract too much attention. It attract some heat, unnecessary heat what we don't want. So I say, alright bossy, and I eat that.
Alright. But me I say to you, say, still see, more when you get them phone call and, like you say, boy, yeah, get the higher calling from Bray Tete. You ever see the boss yet?
Why, I'm a general.
You ever see the big man yet? What claims to my big man, the whole operation, everything?
Watch you know. Never yet put a name to the face in my G. I don't know how this man here look. I don't know what to tell you about this man here, but all me know is when time orders come, bossy orders them ever concrete. And some no miss pan up my G. The man never yet tell me nothing and it no gossip.
So, me I wonder still, see, in a case like this, what could I go wrong make them a call you and tell about me just like that? Eh?
Brother.
It's not like something I do my job and my job not always effective. Eh?
Hear me say no man. It's not what you do still, It's probably how you do it. I remember say them man they have eyes all around the streets. So them think they can cause one whole heap of little things where we not see. They might get bigger than we pay grade, So we have to just know what we do. We have to just work in silence, my general, and keep things on low profile.
But me I do that because I don't want to go to jail.
No, we don't want
He's
to
not
go
a
jail.
person for yo. And on my profile, that bro.
Well,
Everything we do is
yeah, man,
business.
say. The man
You
say,
know
I
what I
fi
mean?
tell you a thing, and I tell you a thing. So, do what you will with that, you know. Or so the thing set right there, so.
All right. Yeah. We don't hear that. So, what we pan around?
You don't know, man, on the call where wait pan, man. Call supposed to jump in shortly, man. As soon as the call jump in, you don't know. We'll make a move and go do a rounds, you see it?
All right, so we're going to wait for
Police,
some.
put your hands through the window.
Yo,
Put your hands through the window.
Yo, so what I'm thinking next, brethren? Yo, and a me one in that vehicle.
What should I call me for? Girl, me soon reach. Me the right round that corner here, so. Stop doing your credit. Alright. Good evening, Miss Mer.
No, don't wake her. She's sleeping.
And now, girl, I'm stressed out.
Yeah, you always stress.
No, but for real, nursing school has stressed me. Pharmacologist, psychology, abuse.
That's someone asked you?
Right now, I want homework, they just send me a summary.
I understand. But me and say for that stuff last year.
Yeah, I'm kind of busy.
Well, my miss you and team, you need to come around so I can help you. Mostly. Well, me, I can't help you.
Anyways, let me tell you what I come up here for. I'm stressed out, I never start from the day, so. What we here say, your man get locked up.
Well, you ain't get lots of food like that.
So, I want to go to class that I donkey cat on an end of that.
No, you're right to know, man. We're starting position of lower or more than one flexibility. Yeah. So, and then the bank account, and I will give you the information here.
As somebody tell me, but they gonna say them kind of money that your man did a job.
Well, yeah, I know.
And you ever talk about the donkey cat, man? If me have a man like that, me I would out for him, girl.
Well, you know, David, him abuse by the and the donkey cat man, in the name that don't call it that. The donkey cat man, he's a very genuine person. Like, we better never be
a donkey cat man, anyway.
He was a donkey cat man. Yeah,
my mama donkey cat.
His name Donn. Donn? So Donn?
Donkey cat man.
Anyways, so, in way better than David. David just, we can't make actually with you.
Me rather go through the abusive rich relationship than go through the broke relationship. Me rather the ball on a yacht than a cat.
You can agree with yeah, man, I can agree. You can agree. You will stick to that. Me, I tell you, Dan is way better in cheap, more way better. The guy just like in the supermarket and the horses go out and can't start beat up the man. What for cause that? This is a big embarrassment. If you know me, the feel, I don't really care about going in the car, going in the car, you know everybody starts.
The thing said that they in the jail.
No, yeah, I'm not going to be able to. The teacher for it.
So get liar or something?
Honestly, I don't know. I'm not really care. Like, I'm focused over that. Because women like me.
That's good, but you man have more money than that. The donkey cat boy.
You go too far. You're past the place now. You cannot do that. We have come from too far. If you meet to something like somebody else telling man's boy.
What in
limits? I know that though. What that say?
Buckle friend.
That girl, you go too far. It does not matter. It don't matter. Me like you. And when you meet him, you get.
Anyways, I can't go long because I get homework right now. I have to go finish up some biology and chemistry.
Give me a word, and I think I'm going to say what can we do today. You just come up here with your bag of that stress.
It smells nice though.
Donn!
Yo!
Come on, man, come on, man.
Hold
Pass
on,
it
man.
time.
I put up my bed, brother.
Time, you say 7 o'clock, come man. And
Hold on,
9
man.
to 7, come.
Ah, hold on.
Tired, man, tired. Donn!
You say me I come, brother. Hold on, man.
Come in, man. You see it?
Boy. Boy, front door nearly pop off last night, brother. I not open it.
No, man, listen, man. 5 minutes left before 7 o'clock, man.
The door nearly pop off.
We don't pay
last
attention
night.
to that. You tell me 7 o'clock, I hit me a work half hour.
Come, take a seat, man. Take a chat. Hey, man, I'm mash up a seat, man.
Yes, man.
Wait.
It's
a one of us, brother. Over there. Why not easy, brother?
Wait. You couldn't tell me that so you did really heavy. Eh? Eh? Boy. All the time. Where you go? Look. No, man.
Yo, I go. We'll feed the them and then we push out. See?
No problem. Next time, let's say 7 o'clock, we are going to market it start feed the them from 6.
Wash your face, man.
Huh?
Man, I have to wash your face. Water, man. Wash your face, man.
Wash it right now, me in a problem with it.
Wash your face, man.
I tell you.
Matter in the man.
You know, see me here too. We don't look beard and remember for wash my face. And sometimes, I'll even for wash your face in that beard, we not come so sometimes, it's still in there.
Yo, day just like I sweat already, brother. It's so nothing, man.
Come, just at 7 o'clock.
Oh.
I'm money more go make right now.
Come on, yeah, man. We're not waste no time.
Yeah. We want rich, you know, man. We want some money.
Yes, richer than Elon Musk.
Not really, you know. Me just want some money, you know. That's why I don't keep woman in my yard because you know, gonna make me give you no money. So you see some of them woman, yeah?
Alright, man. We need my family. We're not next.
Donn, you can't talk about family in a state.
Listen, me son, in the next 5 years, if you come and come see us, full off a little bit. Yeah?
In a bowl same way.
Oh, yourself, man. Come on. Come on.
You see how the man woman are talking nowadays. If you don't have money, they don't want you.
Easy.
And the local market money can't help you. No banana, no mango. Come on. Get it right again, get it. We're going to market. Young banana. Over here, right there. Nothing there. Yellow. Yellow. Chip, chip. Get it right. Yellow.
Thinking to us.
What you need, bro? What you need?
Thinking to there.
No nice like when the chop on the donkey, no. I'm my son to tell you.
Fresh up,
everything there. Everything there.
Come donkey.
Yeah, yam banana, dashing and cocoa.
Drink some water now.
Yellow.
Tap a river now.
Oh, go on there. Hold on, let's get that drink, yes, no.
When I talk about special, I might shot that, you know. Too special. Too special.
Tell her, brother. So I go and party.
Yeah.
Really go up on the market, you know?
Yeah.
You alright though?
I like it.
Real.
Alright, mum. You see I get it, yeah?
Later, here.
Oh God.
Ah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, boy. You're drunk already, no boy.
No man. I just two drink, you know, man. I want you take, you know.
Yeah, because I drink with caution.
Yeah. Yam banana and dumpling. Yeah, see hello. Dashing cocoa mango. Yam banana dashing and cocoa. Over here, tip. $200 a pound. Yam, $100 a pound. Cucumber, mango, 300. We are letting it go. Each Indian 100 for one. Everything 100 now. Yeah, look. Yeah, look. Get the yam. Cocoa dash in. Yeah, man, if you want me to tell them, they want the color load already. Come, I said, color load, you know. I'm going to tell you chemical in the one. Yeah, look. Out the road, tip and clean. No chemical. Yam, banana, dashing, mango, cocoa, cielos. Cielos.
Hold on. Hold it. Hold on, you never tell you look tall. You need to give them to some water, you know. You need to give them to some water. On the anti-mirror and the water, you know.
No. I'm going to market to give down to some water, man. I'm not that right now, you know.
All right.
I try to find him, I can't find him.
Hey, good day.
Hey, Donn. Come on. You know what?
Is it okay for me?
Come on. What me say?
All right.
Is it okay for me to have a word with you?
Donn!
Sure.
John, tell me the one here, Donn.
Mega, come on.
John.
So, I'm so pleased to see you. I truly wanted to apologize about what took place a couple weeks ago. My working is like that sometimes, you know. So, what's your name again?
I didn't tell him my name. Should I tell him my name?
Yes, I'm trying to get to know you.
Just call me Dan.
Okay, I'm Shanice. No? Okay. So like I said, I just wanted to apologize about what took place a couple weeks ago. We were just trying to help. After all, you're just such a gentleman.
Thank you.
Is it okay if we be friends? No?
Huh?
Is it okay if we be friends?
Oh boy. After what happened?
Yes. Is that such a bad thing?
We can be friends.
Okay. Can I have your number?
No?
Why not? Okay, if we cannot be friends, I see that you have stuff, stuff selling and stuff. You have gum provision, my mother like that. So we can support the business.
Sure,
Is that
I can
alright?
support the business, no problem.
Okay, so what's the number?
The number is right there on the card.
So you don't want to give it to you?
The number is there on the card. You can call us if you need one provision.
Okay, no problem.
Hey, brother,
Excuse me.
Timber, a business we are doing. Let's have the number.
Okay, so I'll definitely give you a call. Like I said, I'm really sorry about everything. So expect a call from me.
Alright, man.
Take care.
Brother, you should get going.
Dad,
Hmm?
you know, see now, listen. You're a black and blue, you want the man black and blue, yeah, again.
Business we are doing.
Dad, whether business or not, I'd rather not take your money. Eh? You give her your number, you know what that all lead you to? Next thing she in your bed. Next thing up. But that's why I'm going to this, alright?
Brother, I don't want a girl in my bed, brother.
That's how we are saying, no, Dad, me know when they're interested in somebody. Eh? So, I'm my bread packet you want top.
Come on, make we go, man. Go over. Make some money.
I'm begging now move. So, you shouldn't move.
Carrot, we have over here, carrot. We have the Irish them too. We have the Irish them over here. Because some of them people here, them walk up here and feel them stall alone people a go. Carrot! 500 a pound fee yam! 500 a pound fee yam! Hey, me say, you don't know say, other day I be a little water, me see them at the donkey cart man there, but every day he come here with the donkey, I go and think he can trick people. Them a thief off things off of people, farmer come out here. I go and like I say they can't trick with. They can't trick with out here, man. Can't trick with. Irish and yam we have over here.
Yeah, start set up nice.
Yo, hey. You hear him over there?
I'm alright.
Alright with that. Yo, get in your way, man, I say.
Alright.
Done. You know, we have to come people things.
Same alright, brother.
Yeah, eat out the profit, man.
So now we do your work.
No, eat out the
eat.
profit. Yo, you know, I'm only king and glass. But that's a big stone over there.
Over here, so people, over here, so.
Come over here, so godly food. Don't go over there, so full of.
Ground provision over here, so people. No fertilizer.
Right. We now walk on these people. Pepper.
Well, come like a mama, man.
That you can't move over there on the king now.
You're fighting a market anyway.
You can't move over there on the king now.
Love him.
Sweet pepper we have over here. Come from Andrew, let's get them all little donkey, them feel like they're rich. They feel like them are somebody true Andrew, let's get them all little donkey. But time come, as soon as Master Mark win, is a Benz we are drive down at this. You can't trick we. When you settle for a little donkey.
Yo, you soon get what you look for, you know.
I got something there. Oh, yeah, so on the deck. Yo! I'm not for buying enough on them boy, yeah, you know.
Why?
Today they call me and give me work. I'm check all of the goods them and I had pen in there. Everything keep work. I got piece for shit. I got piece for shit. Smell them. Look where that's up. Look where that's up. Look where that's up. Try something. Look where me don't pull out this, you know. When me pull out this and me fire, you're dead, you know. Try. Just try something pull out this, yeah.
Why you tell people something, John?
I be a so on have. Be a shit and piece for the mango them. Be a piece and shit for the good them. On no buy no fat. Yeah, you can't style me, you can't style me. See what? Do I go on?
Tell me one about Rasta. Yo, you hear what I say? You hear what I say? And then you go tell that the dirty one over there. You know what that means?
Brother, fight, I'm gonna get fight everywhere. You have to do it.
We don't like you.
Brother, hold. You have to people try out my own. Relax yourself, man.
Your day soon come. Your day soon come.
Brother, now listen to that. Brother, remember so that everyone now, man.
Your day soon come. Yeah, it's mango man. Cheap and cheap.
3 bills a dozen.
So you have 200, we can't find us.
Yeah, man, I have someone.
Are you West them there?
Even. Yeah, back.
No matter what I'm trying, we still make money. Money have to make. Man, shot there.
No, man, we have 2 bills when it's saying I'm making 250, so you know
why?
Come in for the mango then.
Come in for the mango then. One bungi.
Hey, wait a minute.
I'm breaking this. Where are you listening there?
Yeah, man. Take a listen now.
Yeah, man, it's bad. Yeah, you have green, you know, man. No, but it's good. Hey, there, I don't want to get the color from. That half there. Eh? No, man, it's good.
Yo, can't do money, so brother.
No, man.
Yo, what I say?
Yo, tell the money too. Man say, yo, yeah, that's smell good.
You don't see a son who go on like you want style, man, all the while.
Jay, me say, Donn.
Man, not style thing.
Donn.
No, man, everything good, man. Everything good.
Donn, me say that. Donn. Why you do that? And everything good, you talk. No man like his style, Donn. Tell you already, man. Wait till the man, yo.
Virgin, if you have a virgin, you can't tell him the truth and everything.
Sometimes you keep it to yourself.
You pocket girl style in you.
Well, you're right. I'm not saying you're wrong.
If you want to vex with it, you vex.
I know you don't make a sale over this, you know. Sale out, $100. It's good, man.
I sprinkle water.
$100.
Hey. I sprinkle water so they and papa.
Your mama can go and sprinkle water, man. I look over here, and sprinkle. Watch him. Watch him, I walk road. Watch him. The man, go and walk road. Adios. God, I go strike you over there. $100 market. Yeah, man, go and sprinkle your water, yeah. You no frightened away. $100 market.
Sumba, Valley follow, Sunda da da dumba.
Yeah, today was a good day. So that's the last thing, but where things?
Give God thanks for making him.
Yam banana and dashing, quokka, over yard. We are still in a year or two. You can't sell out a road, you have to sell through people them too. Yam banana, dashing and quokka. Come on, Chief. Everything have it done. A pound of yam going to 200 now. Cheaper now when we do a market. Yam, banana, mango, sweet and sour mango. Yeah, we are eating the... You eating them done?
Yeah, man, you sing them done.
Good evening, Miss Elsie. How do you do? You alright? They can't no mango today, eat today, no, it's done. Alright, tomorrow.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Ah, let me say this.
Yo, Dan, let me have your son. Let me have your son. I take it to man.
Easy. Oh.
So, I'm not bother go the way there. So, just start, me can...
Oh.
You know, today was a good day, but you see the rasta there. You see me telling him this making come, you see style there today. Huh?
So I go on, man, but I release that.
Mhm.
I release that.
So why you always give me more money than yourself?
Worry yourself, man. All right.
You sure?
Yeah, man, I have some money, I'm
Ah,
going to live, man.
all right. I say nothing.
But I'm going to spend half the money upon a rum now.
No, man, just a one drink, that's how I stop. I say, tell me someone kettle be here when I bar me, I pray. You know. You can't go around there and not drink one drink.
You can't work so hard and not spend out the money then, brother.
Me understand, you know, but
anyway,
me not live with no woman as me say.
All right, do what you do.
Yeah.
Later.
All right. Jack.
Easy, Jimmy. I take a call. Hold on. Hello? What's up, Shanice? Yes? Just come off the road, you know. I'm going to call you back. Yeah? Yeah, man. All right. I'll call you back. Yes. Wow. She called me fast.
Hello?
Hi, Shanice. How you doing?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm done, you know.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, you used to my voice already. And I one time we talked on the phone before.
You're not fun.
Oh, you save it?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, so how was the day?
It was okay.
Oh,
How was your day?
day was great. Just a come in after the market, you know. Tired and thing, you know.
Okay, well, I'm actually at a service today.
Oh,
It's okay to see you again.
okay.
Yes, okay.
Yeah, no problem. We can meet up. Where you want to meet up?
Um, Actually, I'd like, are you free tomorrow?
What time?
Mm, maybe 12. No, that's okay.
Oh, so you want to come to my village?
Sure. I'd like that.
You sure?
Can you put me in the look?
All right. Um, you see, I live at a place called Grant Bush. You just wanna come on the square in Little London and turn up that road. Right. Yeah, man, just come all the way up until you see a sign on the left called Grant Bush is written on that sign, so you can't miss. So from you come there, 12 o'clock tomorrow I'll meet you.
Alright,
I'm at
I'm not so familiar with that area, but I'll call you when I'm on my way. You could ask me.
yeah, man, just call me and I'll come out there and meet you.
Okay, so tomorrow,
Go again?
12 tomorrow.
Yeah, man, 12 tomorrow, man.
Okay, so I'm 19 again. I'm excited about tomorrow.
Really? I can understand how your boyfriend just beat me up like that and you just take on to me like that. But what about me like that? I don't know.
I guess I can show you our children tomorrow. My boyfriend had always been like that, a little bit abusive, angry. He had some other issues.
Oh, so I'm always abuser.
Not necessarily, but definitely an angry man.
Oh, okay. All right, we'll talk. We'll talk tomorrow. I'll give you a tour in my village.
Okay, at night time.
All right, cool.
Make sure to enjoy the rest of the evening.
All right, you too.
Thank you.
All right.
What one Santa?
You are going, sir?
Yeah, on the way.
Yeah, man.
I'm going to go back around.
Yeah, man. I'm drinking rum.
Woodland Port, yes, sir.
Yeah.
So, just remember.
Yeah. Yeah, give one guy. Yeah.
1 year. Yeah. 1 bottle of rum there, no. Santa. Santa.
Yeah.
You see what Santa?
No.
Santa, you sure, Santa?
I'm not saying I'm going to clean that stuff for you. I'm not saying
Santa, no, I'm not fool, Santa. Santa.
I'm not mind a jump.
I put the war right there, Santa.
Mind a jump. You don't see that hole.
I'm not starting.
But me not know if you come back clean in there already.
Well, we never kill that here, no.
Me not know.
You don't know.
No, for me not see that hole.
I think you don't tell me, no. All right, yo.
Yeah.
We talk.
Yeah, man. Talk, man. For me not see that hole.
Hey, listen to me now, man. You know, so we shouldn't get chop no place this morning, yeah. Rastafia chop it. We could have the market and make some money. Because you have better fruit I can sell for the tree yeah, already.
That's the same man I want to work, man.
Huh?
You see Rasta man work?
Yo, Donn.
Yeah.
One more thing, come on. One more thing, come on.
Virgin, I work.
Come on.
What you say?
For a serious level. You know, allow the man woman alone.
What you mean?
Me see say you like her, man. No tell me that, man. Remember say you can't fight, you're a coward. And me see you pray the man, woman, me not like that. You see, how the man a rock your office, you know. You think you run me run?
Me a coward.
Of course.
So hold on. Who a coward? No you.
How?
No you run.
No, man, I told me I want put up myself in a bigger problem. I want twist up his face. I want get into white kung fu. That's why I love you alone. I'm turn up in the corner and I watch him see man a trust office.
Listen me I say. You're a coward. You a coward.
How me a coward?
Are you a coward? Because you wanna me and you ever a practice one way you say you what you say you do.
We practice it.
And now you're supposed to protect me and your virgin.
No,
right?
Listen, me never want.
And you left. Virgin, are you a coward?
Me tell you, me never want.
What that call me for?
No, me never want twist up in man's face. Load the man alone,
So
man.
that means say they for your mind all along then, virgin.
Yeah, load man, woman.
I'm not a fact. Listen me.
You can't fight.
Listen me.
I'm tired to tell you.
Listen me. The female that come here today.
You can't also see you.
So listen. Me don't want you go on like say you want show her no cold shoulder or give her no cold shoulder I mean or whatever.
Listen, no make him come here today.
Listen me, man.
I don't like say you can't fight. I mean, I tell you no. I tell you no.
Timbo, she's coming here today
Donn,
and we are going
Donn, you hear me say? I tell you, where she go pan? Remember say me and you alone on the donkey car, you know, where she go pan to come here? She will travel upon it. Travel power. Dan, me no want her near me, Dan.
No bother with that, man. No bother with that.
You just see a man a rock here, Dan.
Relax, man. Sometimes you feel like got things in a man.
Dan, if you make him come here. Make him come here. Me have me I want me catapult. Make him come here. Make him come, Dan.
You alright, you know?
Dan, if you know. Alright, Dan. I don't like that girl, you know, man.
The girl is a nice girl. She's a nice young lady.
Nice, no?
So,
What?
you fight against her, sir.
Me not fight against her, man.
Remember, say me need a family, you know.
Family out of she. Family out of she.
So me are gonna need a lady.
Dan, do better. Do better. You know, or feed the hog, we can go up on the road here, man. Because me not better chop nothing. Me vex. Me let's not better cook. Don't cook nothing more.
Hello? Yeah, where are you now? Alright, listen. Yeah, where are you now? Alright, good. Just when you come by the entrance of Grant Bush, just stop right out there. I'm coming out there to meet you. Right. Yeah, I'm coming now. Alright. Timber, soon come back. I'm go for your girl. Yeah, what you do? Carry cat put down there, so. Right, Auntie Merdy. Listen, man. Everything alright. Everything alright. Listen, man. Remember saying you do your thing, you know. So if I nothing, you can defend with. And guess what? Oh! The man gone to prison. Remember say the man gone to prison, man. So everything alright, man. I go
Nowadays, people can come out of prison, Dan.
Just give me a chance, let me go there. All
right. Do your thing, but tell her not come near me. Tell her stay 100
I just say me a
meters
coward.
from me. Can them...
Wow.
I'm okay. How are you?
Looking lovely.
Thanks.
Come on and shade, man. Yeah. So, as you can see, lifestyle, this is my place.
So all of them here?
No, man. I don't mind them about my grandfather used to drive them tractor, you know. Way back.
Okay, and why you just like this?
That's how you meet me. So, don't mind the side, the kind of body road bad, so I'm not gonna make you leave the car right here, so yeah? I'm not want to mash up the front end, you know.
A far?
I'm not far, man. I just right down there, son.
You sure say you can go?
Just follow my lead, man. No, I don't want nothing beat. Around there really, really bad. Remember donkey? Donkey can't move, you know, so a donkey road.
Well, as long as it's alright. You sure say it good?
Yeah, man, good, man. That's my place, you know.
You know that too much in the road?
It's alright. Remember me tell yourself to go over there, sir. Right?
Well, okay.
I'm mainly donkey traverse them road there, so don't worry yourself.
Okay, so how far from here say you live?
Quiet at this time. See, say road start get bad now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But it is far.
Probably to you.
You're used to the place, it's not going to be far to you.
You used to it, man. Man, liquor walking is good for the legs, you know?
Who tell us I'm gonna exercise?
Can't say a long time, you know, walking up, you drive.
Well, yeah. Because then if you have the vehicle, you're going to make you safe.
Not true.
Right.
So, how long now you drive? You seem to be a very good driver.
But
You're better than me.
Why?
But I bet you can operate a donkey cart.
No, I cannot.
Okay.
It's the first time I saw one and I see with yours.
Okay. Yeah, man. So, like I said, the road start get bad now. So the car they're right around the corner. Yes. So we'll just get a tour of the community, right? Yeah, man. So see my brethren now, so on the cart.
That's the one I'm going to say with.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
We are going to get a tour of the place right now. I'll put up on the donkey cart, you know.
We not do that.
Of course. Yeah, man. Today we are turning a country girl, man. I go ride on donkey cart.
Make sure you can manage it.
Years me operate this. My father. And my father cart, you know. But he died. Yeah, man. So, you know, we operate them things from ages.
Okay.
Hey. Alright, so let's go.
May I go pat it?
Yes, they're going on it. Come. Step up on the wheel.
Some people put all the way over.
Yeah, man, just step up on the wheel and go. Okay, so you have two options. You can either sit down flat or you can stand up and hold on each of our shoulders.
Alright, me hold on.
Alright, no problem. Let me get the car. Alright. Easy, Jimmy. Alright, ready now. Hold on good enough.
More.
You're dropping.
More.
Remember one family now, so don't be afraid, man. Loosen up. Right?
Okay.
Yeah, you're officially a country girl now, right? Hey! Go on, Jimmy.
We never think more than something like this.
Yeah, man, so we are going to tie up on your farm now, yeah? Alright. Easy, Jimmy.
Just never think more than something like this.
Well, today is the day. See you in the morning.
Well,
Alright.
I'm gonna come down.
Alright, I'm going to take you down. From the back.
The board not gonna break.
No, man. Sturdy like that. Mind the cutlass right there. Easy. Jump now. So you're waiting, man. I see you're waiting. Huh? Jeez. Yeah, man, so this is how we have farm, you know?
Okay, so you have a donkey, you have pigs, what else?
Yeah, man, that's strictly farming we do, you know, in this community. You know? Man, and the big ones over there, you know? Yeah. Yeah, man.
So, what do you mean?
This. Alright, I see this. Come closer now. Alright, so in layman term, you see when you have them pregnant, we put them in there, so.
Okay.
Facing that way, so them no smash them piglets, you understand? So the piglets can come all the way around here and you know? Yeah, man, so that's pretty much what we use it for, you know?
Understand, but it look like it's been a while since the pig them give birth.
Well, not really, no, because I can see we have a lot of
So you
piglets
just
in
let
there
them do
and
them thing over there, sir.
but we are trying to get brother to clean up the place because too so busy. We have to go to the market and stuff. You say no want to work. So one of them do me and Timbo have to just take some time and clean up the place, you know?
Why am not want it too big?
Long story, I'm a Rasta and him say I clean up down Agpe.
Well, I understand. So I never know where I come from.
No really, you know. It's a lady tell me about him, say him clean up place and you know, I tell the lady to send him come, you know.
Well, I understand.
Yeah. But alright, we're not gonna stay too long here, so we're gonna give you a tour up on the farm.
You have cow?
Yeah man, we have a couple of cows as well. I have a couple of other cows and I'll show you my house and thing right up there, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Dad, we don't like this, you know. I don't like this.
Alright. Well, enjoy the motion.
I mean, it's alright.
Yeah man, we are both in the mountains and all, you know. But I stop by my house first. Yeah. Give us some water to drink, you know? Yeah.
Bad idea this one done. Bad idea this one.
It's like Master Jonathan forget to clean up in the farm, yeah. Well, I tell you.
I don't talk about Jonathan right now. I talk about this year. Go on, man. We want it today, you know. I don't like to talk to you, you know.
Hey, JJ. Hey, JJ.
Oh. Listen, I go on my yard, you know. I tell you already, you know. I tell you already, today, I still disobey me. Dan, what you want, listen, man? I'm going to reach already.
Timbo, everything is alright, man.
Everything.
Cool, man.
Me said, don't come down on my yard, come call me if anything
man.
up here, so.
You see the princess
Don't
bring
look
the
for
trouble,
me, you
sir?
know. Don't look for me.
The princess not bring no trouble, sir.
Me not.
No, she look nice.
You can't even bring trouble.
Just
Until you go there.
it's cool, man.
You see you.
Anyway, I watch it. That's alright, yeah?
I see you, man, yeah?
Tomorrow. Cause you know easy, you know. Yeah, come on. You can't go on, man. Take it easy.
Alright.
Come on. Hold on. Remember it go flip, you know. Yeah, man. So, sun hot, you know. Even though you will bring the heat, you know. You need something to drink?
Yeah, just some water.
Yeah, man, we have water in our crib, man. Now run to get the water and come back. I'll show you some more places down there, so. When you come back, we can chill out inside, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah, man. Alright, I'll come there. You drink the water?
Yeah, water.
Pure water, you know. Real Jamaican style, you know.
Thanks.
Yeah. Alright, so. Real bush we are going now, you know. Right? I'm going to show you my farm and some other places, right? Alright. Yeah, man. You suppose you're a pro now, you know. Alright, you can't work by yourself, you're a pro now. Alright. Man, not even help me take off the bag them, you know, man. Why? Hold on this. Take off them bag of parts, yeah? Hold on.
No one is a respect.
Hold on the country girl. Alright, just make it come through on now. Hold on there, boy. I hear man go them still, you know. I you look them fine. But I'm going to rest them inside till they come back here.
Alright. Ready now?
Yeah, man, I'm coming. You're eager to go in the bush, eh?
Yes.
Alright, you're going to sit down beside me this time, here? I remember say for my boy no there, you know.
How far you go?
See, you look nice for my cat. Beautiful like a princess. Well, you're a princess. That's the young son. Now the hills. Yeah, man. Alright, that's
Okay,
it.
so I have a question.
Yeah.
What your actual name?
Oh, my actual name?
Yeah.
Never tell them my name?
Donn.
Okay. Yeah, man. Them call me Donn.
That's your alias.
Yeah,
What's
that.
your name?
Yeah, man. That's my alias still, but my current name is Rowan Daly.
Okay, Ron.
But I don't know, from small them just call me Donn. I think it's because my portray like a Donn baby, you know? I don't know why. But from about, probably about 6 years old, them call me Donn.
Okay.
Right name is Rowan Daly, you know?
And you like what you do?
I love this. Remember, you know, a country, this, you know, fresh air, and I like, you know, the town where the carbon monoxide, enough and nothing there. You know what I mean? Up so oxygen clean. Yeah, man, we do the farming and food good, you know?
Yes, say your friend now. What going with him?
Them good, man. Tim boy alright, man. That's the same, man. A long time, man, my friends.
Say, man, give me like attitude, man, understand, say, you know.
I'm good, man. What I watch you? I tell you, I'm going to come around. Alright?
Hopefully.
The reason why I stop here, so I want to introduce her to them cheese. I don't know if you know them already, but this is a tamarind cheese.
Yes, I'm familiar with that.
We call it tamarind.
Right.
Yeah, man, alright. That one over there, so. Yeah, man. I want thinking to cheese that. Yeah, man. You can't eat, you know.
No, I'm not eat that.
Yeah, I can go for one, yeah, come show you. Yeah, man, so on. Yeah, man, see it here. A local site right here, you know. But in the country, I would call it thinking tour. Yeah, man, you can eat it in one piece.
No.
I know poison, man.
But no, that.
Can eat, man. Simple thing. Some of them tough. You have to use a rock stone and bust it. Yeah, man, so eat here. One piece. Can eat, man.
Let me try.
Can eat, man.
Yeah.
That's why we call it thinking tour. You have a foul smell, but it's nice, man.
No, I know that tastes good. I can come down now?
No, we are
both
both
around, sir?
We are both so.
Okay.
Anyway, let's go. Well and good here. Watch out, watch out. Good boy, good boy. Good boy.
So which way your parents do?
You know, so my father, old man, drop out. Yeah, something I love to talk about still, you know. Yeah, man, so as I said, this farm right here is ours, you know. And we have another big farm right around there. And another one over there we plant yam only.
Okay, that's a lot of yam.
Yeah, man. As I tell me down the road, say your mother love grown producer, you want to support the business. So, wait. A matter of fact, I'm not going to even charge Timbo like it.
Him like me. No, you don't.
Alright, so we're going to take a walk over the farm now.
So we can walk right here, sir?
No, let's do it. I don't want you to drop off. No man, I'm not going to open the country.
Right.
Although I'm a big first aider. So, yeah. You know, walk with my cutlass. And just me, that it will become a part of me. Walk around. Soon come back. You vex with me. Alright, safe drive, yeah?
Okay.
Alright, later,
Bye.
yeah?
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Shines, come here. Where are you from? Which friend? One friend.
They say, I see you actually don't for that chat wine. I make sure say. And you don't know. Make sure that the animal family is the story is not true. Because we don't know. Don't know what they're talking. Listen to what big actually say no. Remember say, they can get prison and that means saying that was in a lifetime. I don't like seeing prison again. He might not come back. And he's still prison. He pay my bills. He take care of me. And he take care of you.
You can talk now?
Me not. Let me talk. Me no want this young here say. You are that they don't can't boy in a thing. Stay far from that boy.
Mommy, you remember the day I tried to I don't want to be. But he is very bad.
Listen. Be good.
Get
right.
I am not a child anymore. And the donkey cat boy, who is a man, and he will like Donn, he's just my friend. You can't friend too.
You can have friends.
But
listen, sometimes friendship just go on you.
Well, I just my friend.
So if I'm your friend, I'm your friend. We can't tell us to be a friend. But make sure say, you know, go no way personal. Try to get tight. Because we don't want the offense to step us on here. Listen to me now. Listen to me carefully. Make sure say, you don't have to let the car go be driving around in that car. Make sure say, you don't drive the car because of that a deviant car.
We don't pick up anybody with me. We just go look female and come back. I didn't even stay that long.
One didn't hear them.
Where do you have to get more repeat? I just heard that I did and then please don't remember the name.
Alright. Make sure I remember the one you. How can you walk? They make the lambs too. Butcher your corner. I don't want nobody butcher you.
Yeah, man. It's nice to see you another day. Eh?
Well, it's nice to see you. So I'm going to wait for come back soon.
Alright, so I carry down the riverside. Eh? Chill out a little bit down the riverside, yeah?
You're going to the water? You're going to the water?
If you want to, know. Every morning your boy go to the river, you know.
I guess if I come sleep over so I can go river to every morning.
Sure, them things make you fit, you know.
Sure, so I can sleep over.
Of course.
Did not know that was an option.
Yeah, man, always.
Okay.
So, you see right there, where you see them two pegs there? Suppose me tell you, say, you ever heard about Arawax?
No.
Hmm?
No.
Seriously? I think I never go to school.
Well, I can educate me. I'm listening.
Yeah, them say, right there, sir. Them say 2 Arawak bird down there.
Okay, sounds interesting.
So when I walk normally walk way over there so because, you know, people say them afraid of duppy.
You afraid?
No, sir.
Well, you might be not afraid, because
Afraid.
you know,
Afraid of what?
you come from both the place.
I'm telling you, man.
Maybe if I never did a walk with you, I meet your boat, but I turn back.
No, sir. See that? And deep hole right there, so, you know.
What is that deep?
Yeah, man, it's so deep. When I look up boy, right there, so, you see him deep. You know which part of water gone? I go on the stuff still. I'll take off a pass. Alright. Take your time. I'm going to teach you something about river now. Step down. Alright. You see all that stone them when you see no water and run pan? Dangerous stone them. Them stone that you slide pan them stone. Them stone that usually slippery.
Really?
So you see the ones that where the water run on, those are the ones that you step on. Those are the safer ones, right?
Okay.
Yeah, man. So take your time. Feel how the one that's slippery? Alright. Just sit down right there, sir. Oh, yeah, pull up. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. So right there, somebody I tell you, say, you say it's deep one time, I don't know how you get so shallow. Because you see the rock there? When I about 10 years old, I used to dive off of this side night. So I don't know how come to get so shallow, you know.
God, please forgive me for what I'm about to do. But me can't, God, me just want you to understand. Me have to protect my peace. Me have to protect me and my daughter well-being. Me have to protect it, God, with all my heart, body, mind, and soul. Me can't make this look how donkey cat boy you come mash up with life just so. Like everything just gone down your drain just so. No, sir.
Yeah, man. So, this is it. Paradise. Yeah, man. You're boy come down every morning, come do come to thing them.
My boy. Okay. Well, enough about the river. Again.
Inside the river. Yeah?
Again. I want you to apologize about, you know, my boyfriend and everything that happened. You know, we never really get to talk to you another time because the place is kind of noisy and then you're afraid and then, you know, so really sorry about everything.
That's alright, man. We don't talk about that now. We're up on the riverside. Enjoy yourself. But the place is nice. You don't really come down here that often again, like one time still, but we need a dip to just come down here. Come on. It's nice though.
Well, thanks.
Beautiful, eh? Watch out for that.
Oh, the water cold.
Yeah, man, power night, you know. You feel it? Yeah, man. Beautiful, you know. It's come on, cherry.
Mommy?
Oh.
Hey, Shanice, where are you, my princess?
I'm at the river with Daddy.
You're with Donn? Okay, all right. I'm home. I'm just washing dishes and stuff. So guess what? I want you to bring him over, right? I'm making dinner, so you can just bring him over for dinner. Cause since he's a friend, I'm not going to act as if I'm all this, awful. So just bring him over, all right?
Wait, really? Re Yeah. Alright, mega asking, but like, alright.
You can bring him over for dinner like 7 o'clock.
7? Alright, mommy. Okay, later. Alright. Guess what?
What, go on?
Mommy can come over for dinner 7 o'clock.
Yeah?
Yes, and you cannot be late, you know.
Yeah, so
7.
get accepted.
You accepting?
What? Big old progress that, man.
Thank you.
So you want to go on? I'm going to deal with some things, and then get ready.
Okay.
Because I have some something to go do, so I wrap up, and then by time we're done, I suppose it's 7 o'clock. So let's go. Take your time.
River was further. If we never have a dinner, we could actually go in the water. And you know, I'm actually happy for mommy actually want you over for dinner.
What time she say
I'm
again?
actually excited about at 7.
7. Alright.
Don't be late, you know. Don't be late, you know. Cause I know
Can't mess up that. Jimmy, soon come back.
You just be careful, Danny boy. Not every smile a smile, and not every welcome a welcome.
Thank you, Jimmy.
Walk good.
Alright.
Shani,
Mommy?
come here. Where the girl?
What?
Somebody's at the gate.
Oh, it's Donn. Come up. It's Donn.
Go on, let him in. Go on, go let him in.
Yeah, man, so go on. Yes, nice though.
Yes.
Hold on. What your mother name again? Merle. Oh. Hello, Miss Merle.
Hi, Donn.
How you doing?
I'm fabulous.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you can come on inside, man.
Thanks.
But you have manners though, you take off your shoes.
Something good on my smell.
I see.
It's a very nice place, love my smell.
Yes, thank you. We're trying, you know?
Yeah, you're looking really nice.
You can have a seat over there.
Thank you very
I'm
much.
going to prepare your dinner.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. You alright, Donn?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, you can go inside the room, you know. Shanice in there. You can go in there until we finish prepare. Then I can call you guys out for dinner.
Okay.
Alright? Alright, so guys, dinner is ready.
You can't tell me, you can't answer that riddle there.
Alright, so I'll be in my room, alright?
Okay, Mr. Mayor.
Alright, so Donn, you already know which one is yours where you are sitting.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Alright, enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Wait, no, but I don't understand. Because you said the riddle is your father have one chain. I don't know.
Father have one chain.
Mhm.
Every time it grow on the track, beside Papa.
No, I can't figure it out.
You give up?
Wait.
Just say
I'm going to give up. I won't.
Destroyer.
Really?
Simple
But
as that.
most of my car, nothing never close to the answer.
Destroyer. Or igloo, you say a while ago. So let us pray. Most righteous and eternal God, bless our food. Let this food be nourishing to our bodies, mighty God. Cleanse it, mighty God. In the mighty name of Jesus Christ, name I pray. Amen.
Amen.
Yeah, man. Nice though. Long time I eat breast and now on the leg time I eat. Still, but working because I don't know.
No, that's alright. We can switch. It's alright. We can switch.
You serious?
Yeah, we can switch. No biggie.
No. Alright.
Here.
Alright, thanks. So, after I finish, you can tell some more really.
No, that was my brain. Just kill me. Alright, what is the difference between a light bulb and a pregnant woman?
You're not supposed to talk with food now, no. That's it. That's the answer.
You're unfair. What?
Say I have a promise.
Because I have a little conflict. You want to hear?
Mm-hmm.
I'm just looking for like more and more. Like the more time we spend on each other.
Mm-hmm.
Eat me a child.
But that's the same, you know. We're hungry, you know.
Okay.
You're supposed to make a money blush when you're hungry.
Alright, I
I
can
don't have
eat.
it still.
You can eat.
Well, I'm funny, you know. I can't believe that after your boyfriend meet up, so. But they have some. Or funny bud. Thank you.
Miss Merle! What? Shanice, what do you? Miss Merle! Shanice, Miss Merle! Miss Merle! Miss Merle! Shanice,
Yes, what happened?
She just
Joseph, what did you do?
Jesus. Hold on. Now call the ambulance.
Wait a minute, Penny!
No, let me smell.
Wait a minute, Penny!
No, let me smell. Yeah, we can't get an ambulance. Right. It has field scheme. It has field scheme. Lot 612. So, yes. Somebody just drop down and turn around. Unconscious. Please. Send an ambulance. Send an ambulance right now. Please.
You see? Yeah, man, you talk about me a late. From man, let me tell you everything where there. Eh? Boy, me my ball. Me alone can't control them, you know. How are you? I beat them again.
Hey, you know what I say? You know what I say? Listen, hold on. You know what I say? Shanice in the hospital.
I man beat him up.
Remember, say man gone to prison, brother.
Then the man can't say man go beat him up.
Listen, man. I go up at the house for dinner last night. And we eat some food. Just drop down, brother.
Oh, him just drop down. So she did sick. I think he sick somebody.
Boy, I don't know, brother.
Why me feel it for you? God knows.
So, Bridget, when she dropped, I swear that she dead in her brother like me. I said,
so
why?
You don't know what happened to her and she don't know record her sick in. What we shot? Hospital she don't know.
Yeah, man.
What?
Yeah, what going?
Alright, man, I'll tell you the truth, you know, Dan. We kind of feel sorry for her right now, you know. As much as me and her talk because he make him boyfriend beat you. But I'll tell you the truth. I feel it for her. I'm sorry for you too. And that really make you come out so late. Tell us love about the girl.
I'm not going to work this morning. Later when I fall, I can do some work. Just feed the hog them, I go down to the hospital. I find out what's going on.
Give her my regard, but it makes you feel like, say, my heart there weird a zero, so.
Alright, just do it. Now go down to the hospital, alright?
God.
Right now I'm stressed out, brother.
Forgive me, Father God. Thank you, God. I'm going to feed the hog. Come in, Lucy.
Thank you, son. You what happened?
Hey, Doc.
Huh?
Go on there.
Oh, okay. Okay, man. What's up, man? How are you doing?
I'm Shani's fiance, as I know, man.
Oh, okay. Hold on. Son, put these in the car. Wait, as a matter of fact, give me the clipboard. Just put up carry the vehicle for me now, please. All right, hold on. Here's the car key. All right, I'll be there soon. So what's up, man?
Boy, Doc, I'm stressed out, man.
Boy, I could imagine.
Tell him, man.
You know what?
How is she doing?
Well, I should put it pretty. I have some good news. And you know, good news sometimes come with bad news. I also have some bad news. All right? What you digest was a type of poison, food poison. But yes, and the test that result that came back.
Serious?
Yes, sir. It's not the traditional poisoning. It's something very, very serious. You have E. coli poisoning, and you have the botulism. It's two of the worst type of.
So hold on.
Well, some in the she has to digest it somehow. So I don't want to really know how she digest that or how it, not assisting anyway. I will leave that up to whatever, but she does need a surgery.
One sec, I get a call. Give me a second, let me call you back, please. Alright, yes. Yes, Doc.
It's very expensive. In order to save her life, it's very expensive. And I'm not talking about no 1 or 2. It's gonna cost you like maybe like $3 million to do the procedure.
$3 million?
Yes, as it's you know, it's a surgery. It has to be done just to get her on the safe side. But with the surgery, she will live. Okay, you understand? So I don't know about
Doc, anything to make she live. Give me you have an account number?
Well,
The
yeah,
banking
we I can't here. I have my card here. I could write the account number.
Yeah, give me the banking account number, Doc, please.
Yeah. All right. This is my card, and this is the account number. But guess, the sooner you act, is the better for her. You understand?
Alright, Doc.
But yeah.
Doc, just give me a few seconds, please.
Huh?
Just give me a few seconds. Doc. Just 1 second. 1 second. Yes. Do me a favor right now.
Sorry, sister, no, try and hurry it up, you know, because I have a meeting to go to here.
Yes, Doc, I'm coming. Do me a quick favor right now. Send $3 million from my checking account to this account number. I'm gonna WhatsApp the number right away. Okay? Alright. Do that right now. Right now. Okay.
What's your name? Donn? You know, actually,
yes,
I have a meeting to attend to, so I'm asking us just
Coming
I
to you,
have
sir.
move soon.
Doc?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so you say that as soon as I get the cash.
No, man, you know, that's how the thing going. As soon as the funds is released,
You can go ahead
start
and
the procedure.
you can go ahead and check your account, Doc.
Do what?
Check your account.
Check my account.
Yes, Doc.
Okay. Hold on. You mean, seriously? Hold on. Yeah, hold on. Ooh. Is this?
Yes, Doc.
Whoa, that was quick. Okay.
Doc, I have to go now. You have my number, so give me a call, alright? Thank you.
All right, we'll start the procedure first thing in the morning,
Yes,
all right?
Doc. Yes, Doc.
That was quick. Wow.
Take your time, take your time. How you feel now?
I feel a lot better, but you know, I'm still need some time for recover.
Good.
So what gonna do?
I'm there, you know.
How your friend?
Left him up at and just work.
Okay.
Be a company, my company as well. Every morning got a market and stuff. And I know I come look for you.
Yeah. Then, I have a question. I'm open, can be honest.
Where you get the money to pay for the surgery? That's a lot of money. Like a lot of money.
Long story. That's a very long story.
Well, we have time, or you can cut it short.
You see, Shanice, see in life, certain things that you see on the outside, right? It's a total different thing that is going on the inside. And I'm going to tell a little secret. Don't tell anyone, right?
Okay.
Don't tell anyone. Shanice, I'm a very, very wealthy man.
What? We mean wealthy. Wealthy? So, I'm confused. With the donkey cart, everything.
So like I said, this is not something that I should disclose at any given time, but in that it's like you have a very you have a spot in my heart where boy, I first never see this. So I'm gonna tell you, right? But trust me, just please don't tell anyone. Like I said, I'm a very, very wealthy man. Even at supermarket today that you went inside.
Right, to get the water.
Yes, that's my supermarket. And the haberdashery that is adjacent to it, that's my establishment as well. But like I said, please do not tell anyone.
Okay. So, I'm not... What? I'm gonna follow.
Yeah. So, yeah, we can change the topic now. Now that you are aware. So, how are you feeling differently?
Well, feel a lot better now that I get to save. But I'm alright. I'm okay.
I'm gonna sleep for a couple of nights, and trust me. I just dip on my mind from that thing that happened, and it's like I just a picture you on the ground when you fell that night. I mean, it's a rough one, trust me. But thanks be to God you are here.
Also, I was thinking about moving in with you. Is that okay?
Yeah, that would be awesome, trust me. Can start a family as well, you know?
Yes, I'd like that too.
Yeah, knock yourself. Till I get better and think we can discuss that going forward, right?
Right.
I forgot to leave you now, because Tim boy wait for me, we want to see if we can go on market right now. So, if you need anything, just call me, right?
I will.
Alright, so later.
Thanks for everything. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome, baby. Later.
Be safe.
Well, I'll see you, right?
Donn, where you going?
I have some unfinished business to take care of.
You don't have to leave so fast now. You can stay a little longer, even until tomorrow.
You can call me, man. Call me if anything, right?
Okay, alright then. Don't be a stranger now. Ensure that you always come around here.
Right. Thank you very much.
And please be safe and take care of yourself on the road, alright?
Alright, just call me if anything, alright?
Yes, alright.
Thanks.
Remember, be careful now.
Yes, customer. Hi.
I wonder if the donkey cat boy that.
Now you lose everything.
Jimmy.
You're a fool, Danny boy.
No, no, no!
Love will make you do some crazy stuff.
Girl, I'm glad they're alright and everything, you know. Miss Marissa figure this. Girl, I'm glad they're alright and everything. Oh, you know more, ask you? So where you get the money from? See what I hear? Where you get the money from for pay for the surgery? Davian did left money here for you?
Which Davian? Davian, I don't take in no, no, him don't leave the money.
So where you get money from?
You'll be surprised. You said the donkey cat boy we are star boy. The donkey cat man we are star boy. I him pay to you.
Where you get money from? And him broke so like that.
Stop it. No, you have to stop it for true.
In look broke, in cat broke, in donkey look broke.
Stop. Stop.
Everything about him broke.
Yeah, no, I don't know. Him own for broke and I him pay for the surgery.
So where you get 3 million from?
Girl, let me tell you something. He's very wealthy. Like you see the supermarket, them always are going and buy things. Even the day when I go buy the water and Davian beat him up, I feel him supermarket and the harbour that shit. I feel one. The man have business internationally and locally, so he stay there.
I forced me to hear that. Anyways, I'm glad you're alright. I'm glad you're alright and I'm glad him pay you. Your surgery. Anyway, I forget the money from cause come like me, I forgot put him up and ask so Miss 3.8 million. Anyways, you know say.
Why you never got asked who missed the money when Davian gone to jail? Yeah? Davian better than nobody?
Davian is my boy. Anyways, my phone go down cause you know some my face.
Every time when I come up here, you have something to do. You always say, anyways, me I go away now. Anyways, when you come out, tell mom to come here.
But you know me a study girl.
But me do like so
a
when
nursing school me.
So when you go come spend some time with my understand, but you don't feel like someone miss you.
Miss you too.
Anyways, tell mom to me I call her.
What time I come up here if I want you? But I say I go today, I'm my best friend.
At least me make you stay longer, because as you come here, I go way back. Charles, remember don't tell nobody. Nobody. I'm serious. Don't tell nobody.
Bowa.
Alright, good.
Timber boy. I go make you rich, but you have to keep your mouth. Your heart weak, timber boy.
The donkey carto.
You have made it to the end of episode 2 of Donn and the Donkey Cart. Thank you for watching, and I hope you do enjoy it. Guys, I just want to implore you, just subscribe and share the channel. And I must confess, guys, we do have some challenges with equipments. So if anybody out there seriously want to help out Maggy Films with some equipments, the number is right here, right? Reach out to us. I also want to thank everyone that has played their part in this movie. Yes, well played, guys. Well played. And do remember, share the channel, like and subscribe. It is very integral in getting this channel to be a success story, right? Yeah, man. So, guess what? Big man, come make the people, come talk to the people, man. It's a timber, your people.
Yeah! I'm not the hat, you know. I'm not the water boat. I'm not the suit, but you know, it's a timber.
The big man.
So if you don't want to see more, me beg you know, please, subscribe.
Yeah, man.
Because I'm going in every movie when I post. I promise you, you see, as long as them foot your work and them hand your work, I will be right at Maggy Films.
Right.
So please, you see more on the share, it's better for we.
Yeah,
We're not for the hawks, for look out, you know, but the more you share, it's better. And you will see more movie. More movie.
Just like that. Just like that.
As him say, equipment really relevant for you because, I tell you the truth, they say without equipment, good movie can't show.
Can't produce, right.
Because to write the movie, me I tell you, me confess most of the time that this a movie I do way far more better. And I don't business. Because it do good. And that's why I work with Maggy Films because when me sit down and me watch me, I say, you know, if we did a shoot movie that way here, the quality would be more better instead of it. No, but me remember, subscribe.
Yeah, man.
PFS Films here.
Maggy Films.
Maggy Films and
I
every
remember,
films
you know. Remember, you know, and I just Maggy Films, you know. PFS Films, Richard Brown Films, Jamie Wood, Paradise Nation, a one umbrella, a unity we are dealing, right? Big up on yourself, viewers and subscribers. Always, every time. And so my brother, yeah, we're not going to see you, so tell you, not tired. See it?
One more comedy next coming.
Look out. That one I got epic. I'm not telling you the name yet, you know, but look out.
See him here.
Outside.
Maggy Films.
The reason I say that is more I should feel free to express myself.
Okay.
Yeah. Start back on top again. Yeah.
Alright, ready, action.
Yeah, man, so this is my little village, you know.
Okay, the mayor. The mayor.
No, but grandfather used to operate them. Alright, no do that, no do that. Nah, man. Ready? Hey. Just go and raise them, man. Yo. Yeah, easy now. Afternoon, you and you.
Afternoon, Rastafari.
All right. We think what we want. Jack and Stout.
Me right now.
Yes, I like the way.
You like the scene?
Like the space.
Hey, nah, check out the water.
Hey, fun for that people.
Come now. No, man, so we can go. Eh? Oh, you come here, sir. You use that, sir. Catch him now.
You know, go on, you come.
Yeah. Are you late now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought we were down and come on with you.
So I go look sad and I say, yo, I want you. Then beat you up again. You know? Yeah. Everybody come over here, sir. So, ready? Yeah, man. It's nice to see you another day.
Well, it's nice to see you too. Look for the will to come back and see you.
Yes, sir. 119, what is this?
Come in. Don't you get that one out of it. Hold on, what you say? Then for do what?
Subscribe to
All
Maggy
right.
Films.
All right.
Remember, you know.
See it there?
I'm not going to see enough for me.
Man, just make sure, you know, man. Subscribe, because we are putting whole for work. You see, sweat,
100K.
You see how we are
Yeah.
sweat? I feel own, you know.
Never sweat in my life.
See, so me a beg on you. Hit the subscribe button.
Bless you
See
all.
donkey there? Make them see donkey, you know. Alright. See donkey there? I Jimmy that. Alright. That's what I'm doing here, so. I yelling up and telling say, subscribe.
God bless you all.
Big up. Go.
Hey, squeeze. Hey, baby, donkey go a hee haw, donkey go a hee haw, donkey bring me donkey bring me
Santa. Santa.
Yo.
You don't see who Santa?
You don't see no who.